On today's video, we're going to show you how to connect our copier to your network. First thing you want to do is find our router and plug it in. Wait about a minute for it to boot up, then open up this antenna and press and hold this reset button for 5 seconds. Give it another minute to reboot, then head on over to your computer. Now at your computer, head to your wireless settings and find a wireless network that says 80 trailer printer. It might also say gl-inet and select enter the password goodlife, all lowercase, and select join. You should now be connected to the 80 trailer printer. Now open up a browser of your choice and type in 192.168.8.1 and press enter. Now enter the password for the router, which we will give you. Now when you see this main page, scroll all the way to the bottom where it says more settings, network mode, and click on extender and then next. Now you will grab your Wi-Fi device and find the name. It may say walk and talk with the password, and then you'll select it here as you see the Verizon, and then you will enter the password that you see on the MiFi device right here. Then click apply. Give this screen about a minute or so to fully connect with the router, and then you can close this site. Now go to the back of the printer and turn it off. Plug in one end of the Ethernet cable to the middle port that says LAN of the router, and the other port into the back of the printer, and power on. On the screen, you can press Menu, Utility, Device Information, and you can now see your IP address. Now head back over to your wireless settings and connect back to your original network, the Walk and Talk or Verizon, like I'm doing here. And now click on System Preferences, System Settings, Printers and Scanners, and Add Printer or Scanner. You should see your device pop up like so there. And you can also add it by IP address here using the AirPrint protocol. Add the IP address from the screen on the copier, and it should pop up populated right at the bottom with the proper driver, and click Add. And now your printer has been installed and it's connected on your network. Let's do a test print. Select Printer, Print Test Page. And there you go. That was how to connect our router to your network so that you can print.